She is STEM.
Girls rule the world. Girls experience new things.
Girls journey. Girls explore.
Girls fly high.
Girls are our future.
Do you want to know why? Because girls are amazing.
I'm Dottie Metcalf-Lendenberger, retired astronaut and former Girl Scout. In Girl Scouts, both my parents were involved and they helped me explore science, which I fell in love with, and it allowed me to go to the highest heights. There I set a record with one of 4 other women flying in space and working together. I'm living proof that through the skills and confidence gained in Girl Scouts, girls can reach the highest heights.
Kids Video Connection inspires youth to think, to dream, and create as they produce their own video projects. And in our workshops, all the students write and produce their own video projects, and we're excited to work with the Girl Scouts of Greater Atlanta.
She is STEM.